Hey, so I'm installing a wig today. I'm attempting to install a wig because I've never done this mess before. I got this wig. Not me losing the packaging, but I did get it from Amazon and it came pre-plugged. So I'm gonna bleach it, attempt to bleach it, because I've never done that either. Then after I'm done bleaching, I'm gonna pluck her a little bit more, and then I'm gonna install her. Gotta take care of this. I'm lacking in a few areas because I can't cornrow my own hair, let alone locks, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna take the pins out because I had pins in here before, so I can scout them out. I'll just take the whole wig out. Just taking the pins out that I had in there yesterday when I was attempting to pluck. But because at first I wasn't going to bleach her because I am inexperienced, and she did come pre-plucked already. I was just gonna put my foundation shade on there, but I was like, I kind of wanna go above and beyond and try to, you know, be an overachiever and bleach her. But when I watched the video, they turned the wig inside out, I think, or rather they turned it backwards, whichever you want to call it. But anyways, it's supposed to be facing this way. The lace is supposed to be facing this way. Well, before I do that, because y'all, I'm a beginner, please bear with me. I forgot how to put Gots to Be on there and come away the sideways. Y'all see that? Look at that. Oh, I'm trying. I really feel like, because yesterday I was plucking and I feel like I over plucked her because there's some holes in it. No, well, not holes, but there's some gaps. So I feel like if I go over those gaps, it'll look decent. But let's turn it back to where I had it. Okay, praying I don't get any bleach on the hair, because we don't want a bleached wig if we're only trying to bleach the knots. You know what I'm saying? I'm struggling here, but I'm gonna get it. I promise y'all. Give me 2 months, I'm gonna have this down. I'm gonna be a beast at installing wigs. Trust and believe. In Jesus' name. So I'm gonna just stand up for y'all. I'm gonna stand up and show y'all how I got it. Turn it this way. Turn it this way. And the hair is right here, okay? So let me keep that right there. I don't have the mixing bowl and all of that, but I do have a plate and I do have a spoon. So I'm gonna go back to the TikTok that I saw earlier, and it's gonna show me the measurements for the powder and the developer, because I did not memorize that whatsoever. So let me go back to TikTok. Y'all go follow my TikTok, by the way, at That's Liz, please. Come on now. Talking about unstable internet connection. That's ghetto. The internet does not work back here in this bathroom. Y'all gotta give me some time. I'm coming. I'm trying my hardest. Okay, I think we got something. Okay. Did I save the okay, I didn't save it on here. I saved it on my phone. Let's use the iPad for music instead of our phone, because we need our phone. Okay, y'all, we're ready to roll now. Now let me look for this video and my camera roll. It's somewhere in here.
Bleach mixture every time. It's always a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 parts bleach powder and 1 part developer. So no matter what measuring unit you use, the measurement follows the same rule. Whatever the measurement you...
Y'all, that did not help me. I'm already confused. Cause I had a video saved, but now I can't find it. The ghetto. Okay, 2 scoops of bleach, 1 scoop of developer. Let me move this headphone away. Y'all, I didn't even open my stuff yet. But it's okay, I'm organized. I came prepared. Because you gotta be ready for these types of things. To make it right. You know I like it more in the way that I... Okay. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna just take the comb and shred off the excess, because we don't need all that. Period. Okay, I put 1 scoop on the plate. Now let's do scoop number 2. Scoop number 2. Just got it on my dress. It's fine. We live and we learn. Scoop number 2 is on the plate. I should have wore gloves. Okay, 1 scoop of developer. got that. I'll pour it in. And y'all, I'm gonna mix off camera because that takes too much time. So, be ready? Okay, guys, I'm back. So this is what the mixture looks like. I actually did have to add another cup of the developer because it was not giving the pasty soft consistency that I needed. It was giving chalk. So I went back in and fixed that. Let me change my song. So now I'm gonna take the wig, praying I'm doing this right, y'all, because I don't want to ruin this wig, y'all. I need it. But I'm gonna be placing it on every part except for this little edge part right here, because this little bumpy parts, because that's not part of the hair. Like, I'm cutting that part off. Okay, y'all, moment of truth. Let's start. I'm gonna apply it with the spoon because I don't have one of those applicating brushes. Y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. Honestly, I'm messing up already. A piece of hair is sticking out from the top of the scalp. Oh, got it. Okay, so I'm just applying it as so. And after I'm done applying it, I think I'll leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes. I think. Pretty sure. Okay, we're almost done covering the areas that need to be covered. I'm just making sure I get all of the little spaces because I don't want nothing to be misbleached. I don't want it to look crazy. Getting it out of the actual hair. I promise, if the little hairs, if some of these little hairs come bleached, I'll cry. But it's okay. I'll be okay. I really feel like I was supposed to apply it while I was on the mannequin. Y'all. I think it's too late to add it. Let's put it on there. Y'all, it's not working. I'm not even finna chance it. So after I let it sit, y'all, I'm gonna come back on camera. I'm gonna just let it sit off camera. So, BRB. Okay, y'all, so I finished bleaching. I just put the purple shampoo on there. I'm waiting about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. But I was trying to do my edges. I had to go for my blow dryer. But let me try to do those real quick. I tried to use spritz and it wasn't really doing the trick, so let me try again. If not, I'm gonna use the Dusty. We're gonna If this one doesn't work, that definitely worked. Spritz it is. It's easier to wash out anyways. Then we're gonna put it over our ears like so. It's giving egghead, but we cute either way. Okay, y'all, so I rinsed the wig out. I rinsed the shampoo out of the wig. And now I'm just doing the ball cap method because I do want my hair to lay down, and I feel like if I don't use the ball cap, it's not gonna lay down. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this wrong. Of course I gotta cut this off, but I'm gonna spray some more so it can stick. I'm just gonna cut this part off. Uh-oh. Y'all forgetting this my first time. Bear with me now.
It's gonna boot.
I'm recording again.
What?
Yeah.
How you tell what the f going? So no.
Oh no.
Playing. But I ain't gonna lie, it's hot as on the Wendy's house.
Turn the air on. Huh?
Don't put that in there.
Then what
Retake,
am I doing?
retake.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, you said don't worry, Poppy?
What?
Oh, I thought that's what you said. I'm sorry.
No, Bubba. Hold on.
Sound good.
Thank you. Next time.
Next time. I gotta be prepared.
Right. Okay, y'all. I finished the wig. I did good, honestly. My edges and stuff, it's not the best, but I'm gonna keep practicing because this was fun. It was definitely a learning experience. I did have a bit of an issue with the edges, but they're cute and I don't care about nothing else. Period. I'm loving what I did. I will be doing this again, and y'all are gonna like it again. Anyways, getting into the hair. It's really fluffy. Yeah. She's so pretty. And she's glueless. So I can take her off whenever I want to. Without any issues. Without any problems. Period. Also, I enjoyed me a bag of these, y'all. Get y'all a bag of these. Get y'all some of them. What are you doing if you don't? You know what I'm saying? Do I need to hold it up again? Get you some of them. You will be satisfied. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed me. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
It all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate.